Hi filmmakers! This is a short and quick video with tips on achieving a Hollywood look in the nighttime exterior scene with minimal resources. My name is Serj. I'm a director and cinematographer, so let's get started. For this tutorial, I've enlisted two talented actors, my friends Tommy and Stacy. As always, I'm using the BMPCC 6K Pro camera with the DZO Film Vespid Prime 40mm lens. My secret weapon is two RC60B lighting devices from SmallRig, along with two RA-S808 lighting stands. I also used one deep blue gel filter and a smoke machine with haze liquid. If you want to see more references for your shoots, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. You can also support my educational project by donating through the link on the description. The guys from SmallRig suggested I try working with the RC60B, and this idea seemed interesting to me. I like this lighting device because it has a built-in 3400 mAh battery for instant use, 45 minutes at full power, and 75 minutes in economy mode. For guerrilla-style shooting on a budget, it's the perfect choice. So I used one SmallRig RC60B with a color temperature of 2700K. I used it as the key light for our scene and placed it opposite the camera at an angle to achieve beautiful lighting on the main character's face and a nice backlight on the smoke. This light source is motivated by street lighting. The second RC60B, with a color temperature of 5600K, I placed to the side of the camera and added the deep blue gel to give an additional blue effect. It's motivated by the fact that the car is parked in the back parking lot of a nightclub. To add a touch of mystery and romance, I activated the smoke machine, creating the perfect atmosphere. If you're interested in the SmallRig RC60B devices, you can click on the link in the description to get to know them better. And in the next video, we'll talk about shooting, directing, and setting up lighting for a night outside scene without using a generator and crew. Stay tuned!